In 2025, keeping your home secure is smarter and more accessible than ever before. But with the sheer number of smart security cameras flooding the market, making the right choice can feel like navigating a maze. Don't worry though, I've done the research so you don't have to. Whether you're looking for a reliable outdoor sentinel or a compact indoor companion, today we're diving into 5 of the best smart home security cameras available on Amazon this year. Let's kick things off with one of the most convenient options out there, the Blink Outdoor 4. If you're the type who prefers a set-it-and-forget-it solution, this wire-free camera might just be your perfect match. It offers high-definition live streaming, crisp two-way audio, and sends motion alerts right to your phone. But the real star here is the battery. We're talking up to 2 years of life on just 2 AA lithium batteries. That's peace of mind without constantly checking a charger. Installation is a breeze too, thanks to its completely wireless design. However, the motion detection can sometimes be a bit slow to react. And like many in its category, some of the smarter features are locked behind a subscription paywall. Still, for a camera that gives you sharp video and requires virtually no maintenance, the Blink Outdoor 4 is a strong contender, especially for busy homeowners who want simplicity. Now, if you're after cutting-edge clarity, the Ring Outdoor Cam Plus brings a big leap forward. This is Ring's first outdoor camera to support native 2K resolution right out of the box. The image detail is stunning, perfect for identifying faces, packages, or even license plates. It also boasts better Wi-Fi connectivity, superior low-light performance, and a wider field of view compared to previous models. What's even more convenient is the power flexibility. You can run it on a rechargeable battery, hook it up via USB-C, or even connect it to a solar panel. Just know that the most advanced features like 24/7 recording and AI-powered video search do require a subscription. But if you're already within the Ring ecosystem, or you're serious about high-quality outdoor security, this camera is a powerhouse. Switching gears to the inside of your home, let's talk about the Casa Indoor Pan Tilt Smart Camera. Designed with versatility in mind, this camera gives you complete control over your indoor coverage. It can pan and tilt on command, which is especially useful if you're checking in on pets, kids, or even your front entryway. The 1080p HD video is crisp, and it handles night vision well, offering clear footage even in darker spaces like nurseries or hallways. It also integrates seamlessly with Alexa and Google Home, making it a great fit if you've already started building your smart home. However, it's worth noting that it relies entirely on a stable Wi-Fi connection, and as an indoor-only unit, it won't help you outside your home. Still, for comprehensive coverage inside, it's one of the most dynamic options out there. Another solid indoor option is the Blink Mini Pan Tilt camera. This one takes a more budget-friendly approach but still manages to pack in plenty of value. It offers full room coverage thanks to its rotating base, high-definition video, and real-time two-way talk, all for a price that won't break the bank. If you're already using Alexa in your home, integration is smooth and simple. Like the Casa, this one also needs to be plugged in and is only suitable for indoor use. But if you're looking for affordable surveillance that doesn't sacrifice much in the way of functionality, the Blink Mini Pan Tilt should definitely be on your shortlist. And finally, let's wrap things up with the Ring Indoor Cam 2nd generation. On the surface, it might not look too different from its predecessor, but there are some thoughtful improvements under the hood. Most notably, it now includes a manual privacy cover, a small but meaningful addition for those who care about camera security. This cover physically blocks the lens and disables both video and audio recording, giving users peace of mind without having to unplug anything or redirect the camera. The video quality remains sharp at 1080p, and the two-way audio is clear and responsive. You can adjust motion zones, set custom alerts, and enjoy color night vision if your room has ambient light. However, be aware that without a Ring Protect subscription, you'll lose access to features like cloud recording and smart alerts. Also, the privacy cover must be manually flipped, which may be a minor inconvenience for some. Overall though, if you're already in the Ring ecosystem, this compact camera is a strong indoor addition. Each of these cameras brings something unique to the table. The Blink Outdoor 4 is perfect for low-maintenance setups. The Ring Outdoor Cam Plus offers premium video and robust options. Casa's pan and tilt camera excels in flexible indoor monitoring. The Blink Mini Pan Tilt shines with its affordability and simplicity. And the Ring Indoor Cam 2nd generation? It's a dependable choice with thoughtful privacy features. So, which one fits your needs best? Is it the crisp clarity of the Ring Outdoor Cam Plus, or maybe the simplicity and battery life of the Blink Outdoor 4? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear what setup you're going with this year. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Smart Tech Lab, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. We've got plenty more tech tips and reviews coming your way. Until then, stay safe and stay smart.